So this video is about my newer invention. I've actually had it for a long time, but I just forgot to add it in to what I've done so far. May have talked about it a little bit, but anyways, taking my last video on the other YouTube profile, Gage Taylor. It's about the new inventions 216. Anyways, you take most of the inventions and you make, my motors out of graphene, my multi-cylindrical motors, multi-cylindrical commutator motors, and multi-layered. You make basically everything out of graphene, so you make graphene wire. And you make graphene wire by just making the mold of a long strand of graphene, or you could even make a sheet and cut it into a wire. Just cut zigzags and then stretch out the wire, wrap it around your transformer. But I'm going to be more using coils. So here we have an axle for a shaft, and then we'll have coil. It'll be linked together, so you have north, south. This goes off to the commutator, and then you would have another set of coil with the same. This is the multi-alternator invention with the cylindrical commutator. So you have two circuits, each going to the commutator. And this is just graphene wire, so it's a coil. It makes a magnetic field. Here's north, and here's your two souths. And then you have your stationary alternator, or stationary stator. So you have your multi-cylindrical commutator. It can be made out of graphene. Graphene's real lightweight and it's very conductive, so it's 11 times more conductive than copper. So you could put 11 times more electricity in that small amount of space and weight. Plus, I was gonna say, graphene is very lightweight as well. So you have multiple alternators that are high in magnetic field, so you have a large amount of RPM and torque. You could reboot that torque into a generator, an axial flux generator, which has a bunch of more circuits made out of graphene that are just a coil of wire connected to a multi-cylindrical commutator. And the generator has magnetic fields. Now we have a motor. This is a motor. This one's a generator. And then you have your external circuit. Remember, it's an axial flux. So here's your external circuit. It's just one circuit. It could also be made of graphene, but you could also make it out of copper. You could. I showed this invention with just regular copper wire. Transformers, your stators, copper stators, etc. But this is about having all the alternators made out of graphene wire, graphene commutators, multi-cylindrical commutators. You could do this for many different types of motors and whatever. So thanks for watching this video. Bye.